Welcome to day 34 of our 100 Days Python Coding Challenge series. Today, we're tackling a practical coding problem, writing a program to recursively compute the sum of all the digits in a given number. Watch as we dive into the Python code, explain the logic behind recursion, and demonstrate how to implement the solution step by step. Input. The input will be a single line containing a positive integer, b. Output. The output should be a single line containing the sum of all the digits in the number. Sample input and output are also be given for your reference. Join us as we explore the intricacies of recursive programming. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced coder, this tutorial offers valuable insights and hands-on practice to sharpen your Python skills. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for daily coding challenges, tutorials, and tips. Hit the subscribe button, turn on notifications, and join our growing community of Python enthusiasts.